Well, good evening, Oswalkie here. Well, this is the new supermarket that's being built. And look, they've already found a dead body there. It was Rob. It was Rob. What are you wearing?
Pants.
Sure.
Sure.
We rearranged the furniture again.
Mm.
Moved that TV. It was, where was it? It was over there. Moved it to there. Yeah, it probably looks alright now.
I want to put many. This is the maximum plant,
Yeah, good.
but that case, you should try this one. Sometimes you make messy this area.
Yeah, sometimes I make it messy. Do you like that corner?
Yeah?
She likes that corner. She's
Yeah.
using me as a footrest.
Yeah.
Anyway, a few days ago, you said you were going to be quiet.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I am quiet.
But some people commented on that video and they said, you're not quiet.
Really? I'm quiet.
Sure.
Sure. I'm very quiet. I'm very, very quiet.
Really? You've been reasonably quiet today.
Yeah.
But you see, when she says she's going to be quiet, like she buys something, and she says, I'll be quiet, she doesn't mean she'll be quiet. She just means she won't spend more money
Yeah, that's right.
for a while.
For a while. Just I spend today for only $14.
$14, right. That's all you spent today?
Yeah?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I went to get my hair cut today, and I failed. The queue was too long. There's so many people waiting in the shop that I gave up.
It's okay.
So yeah, so we're going to Sydney tomorrow. I wanted to, look sophisticated to go to Sydney.
Doesn't matter.
That may be a lost cause anyway. But so anyway, I'll have to go to Sydney with this spiky hair like this.
It's all right. 1 centimeter long.
Okay, yeah. So we're going to the big city tomorrow. It's very exciting.
Yeah.
Yuko wants to buy tea.
T2.
This is T2 tea.
T2 tea.
She can't get it here.
No.
Right. Well, that's not the only thing we're going there for. Got a list of things.
Yeah.
Meat. We'll buy meat.
Yeah.
Japanese meat.
10 packs of meat.
Can't get that here.
No. Tasmanian Japanese meat. Sukiyaki meat.
Sukiyaki meat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it.